YouTube. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. This is an Amazon purchase, so let's not wait any longer. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so I got this package a couple of days ago. I did open it, but I still wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So it's already open, but I still saved the packaging to do the unboxing for you guys, and I didn't use the bag yet. So this bag, let me show you. Amazon Smile. Don't you guys just love getting packages from Amazon? Okay, so it comes like this. And this bag is the bag for similar to the Gucci Dionysus, and I'll leave a picture hopefully here or here. No, probably here. Yeah, the Gucci Dionysus, the what's the size? The small, because it's confusing. They have like a mini and then a small. Yeah, I'll just leave the picture and you'll see it just now. So it comes like this, and then this bag just says fashion, fashion, fashion on it, and tissue paper and stuff like that. And then it has this cute little dust bag with a handle. I thought that was really, really cute. So here is the bag. Oh, this bag is so cute. So this is like a snakeskin print, and it's faux leather, vegan leather. And as you can see, it has the buckle on there just like the Gucci Dionysus. And it has the metal straps that are adjustable, so you can wear it doubled like this as a handbag, a shoulder bag rather, like that. And then you can like make it long to wear it as a crossbody. I'm 5'3" for reference, so that's how it's looking like. You can wear it to the side, and you can wear it to the front. It's very, very comfortable to wear actually. So when you have to open it, you just do like that. Okay, so this is what the front is looking like. It has a snakeskin here, and then the nice little buckle here, and a magnetic closure. It's like magnetic, so it closes very easily. And then it has this flap right here. There's no compartment here, it's just the flap that goes over like that. And then when you open it, it has the stuffing inside. And then there's a middle compartment, zippered compartment. And then this is the compartment in the back. And this is one in the front. So you have a good amount of space in here and compartments. Only thing, it has a plastic smell. It does. It did have a very strong smell when I first got it, but then I let it air out, and so I don't smell it that much anymore. I still smell a little bit. I haven't worn this bag yet. And so now on the side, it's kind of like accordion style, like you see underneath like that. And the other side, and this is what the back looks like. So it's snakeskin, and this is cream. They do have this in lots of colors. They have black, they have white, which I didn't want because I feel like summertime is over. I do need a white bag, but I'm gonna wait till summer to probably get like whatever the newest thing that's out is out. I was gonna get the Bottega white bag, but the style of it, not the real one. But I have a green one already, so I'm like, you know what, let me just wait till next year. So I feel like cream is really, really nice for fall, and I don't have any cream bags, so I really have to get like some cream bags. And you know, when you have to get a tote, you need like a little bag like this, and then you might need a little small, like you girls know who dress up and look nice and want to look cute. Like you have to have different styles, and like if different colors of different styles for different occasions. But yeah, but you do what you can with what you have until you're able to get more. So yeah, so I really, really needed this. I think I may have one little cream bag. It was from Shein, But this one is gonna be really good for the fall. It's not too big, not too small, and I really, really love this metal, the metal straps. And you know, if you don't feel like spending Gucci money, because I believe Gucci is somewhere like $2,800 if I'm not mistaken. It might be more, I don't remember. I really did want the Dionysus with the Gigi, the mini one, but I don't know. Sometimes I want it and then I get over it. So sometimes I like to wait things out, but I think this is a good one. Like, only thing I like with Gucci, like, I don't know if it's this size or the smaller size, like it has rhinestones on it, or Swarovski crystals. So hard to say. Swarovski crystals. And it looks so good because I went to the Gucci store and I saw it and I was just like, oh. Even the super mini one looks so, so nice. But I think this is a nice, you know, replica, dupe, whatever it is. So I got this on Amazon and I think it was $24.99, which is not bad. So I will leave the link in the description, and I would love if you would use my link because I do get a small commission from when you go on my Amazon store or use any of my links on Amazon. But this is definitely a go. If you were thinking about getting this bag, I would definitely say get it. You don't want to spend Gucci money, but you still want to look bougie on a budget. This is a go for me, and it will be on my Amazon store, so definitely check out the link. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Follow my style page on Instagram, Kharyzma For You Style, where I show lots of my outfits, outfit of the days, all types of reels, things like that. Follow me there. I'm also on TikTok, Kharyzma For You. Check out my Etsy shop for hair accessories, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma For You, and my cosmetics at kharyzmaforyou.com for some poppin' lip gloss and other stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all.